Hey everyone, welcome to Guide on How to Block Facebook Calls. Let's dive right in. Open the Facebook Messenger app on your phone or tablet. Find the conversation thread with the person you wish to block calls from by browsing through your chat history. Tap on the name or profile picture at the top of the conversation window to reveal more information about the contact, including their name, profile picture, and any mutual friends. Scroll down until you locate options for managing your communication with this contact. Depending on your app version, you may find options like mute notifications, report, or clear chat history. Look specifically for block or block messages and calls. Tap on block or block messages and calls. A confirmation pop-up may appear, asking you to confirm your decision. Tap block or block messages and calls again to finalize the block. And there you have it. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share if you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching.